Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dave, and in today's video, we're going to look at a quick number theory question from an Indonesian math Olympiad. Halo semua, selamat datang di saluran YouTube saya. Saya nama Daud dan sekarang saya akan berbicara bahasa Inggris karena tidak bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia. The question asks us for which values of n greater than 1, n being a natural number, is n to the fourth minus n squared divisible by 12. To do this, we can consider that the factorization of n to the fourth minus n squared is equal to n squared times the quantity n plus 1 times the quantity n minus 1. We can also use the fact that a number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. This will give us two cases. The first case is if n is divisible by 3, and the second case is if n is divisible by 4. So we can use modulus arithmetic to do this. For those who aren't familiar with the idea of modulus arithmetic, it's simply the remainder when you divide by a number. So if we say that a number is congruent to 0, mod 3, for example, it simply means that it has a remainder of 0 when we divide by 3. In the case that n is congruent to 0 mod 3, it means that n squared is also divisible by 3. Similarly, if the remainder is 1 mod 3, then n minus 1 will be divisible by 3. And also by the same logic, if it's n is congruent to 2 mod 3, then n plus 1 will be divisible by 3. We can apply the same kind of logic to case 2, where n is divisible by 4. So if n is congruent to 0 or 2 mod 4, it means that n is even, and hence n squared will also be divisible by 4. If n is congruent to 1 mod 4, it means that n minus 1 is divisible by 4. And finally, if n is congruent to 3 mod 4, it means that n plus 1 is divisible by 4. Moving on, we can see that for all natural numbers, n to the fourth minus n squared will be divisible by both 3 and 4 because at least one of n squared, n minus 1, and n plus 1 will be divisible by 3, and another is guaranteed to be divisible by 4. This is essentially an application of the pigeonhole principle, which states that if you have n pigeons and n plus 1 bullets, at least one pigeon will have more than one hole in it. So we know that if a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, then it's going to be divisible by 12. And hence, for all natural numbers n greater than 1, n to the fourth minus n squared will always be divisible by 12. So this brings us to the end of the video. So thank you for watching, or as they say in Indonesia, terima kasih sudah menonton. If you like this video and would like to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.